This one seems to be in a really nice restored condition. A really rare rear-engined Benz Piaggio truck with trailer. A Maserati Ghibli Solito. I haven't heard the name before. Oh, and these are the famous Bondubags. Quite a funny car. Hi everybody, this is Cube of Cars. I am Mike, and today I want to show you the full video of the Jesada Technik Museum in Nakhon Pathom, which is an hour west of Bangkok. And we will have a look at really all of the cars that are on display. I hope you will like the tour. That's the so-called registration point. They do not ask for an entrance fee, they just want to have your name and where you are from. It's a collection of about, here in this hall, 200 cars, I would guess. Most of the cars are not really in a perfect condition, so do not expect any pristine looking cars. But there are lots of interesting, strange models that probably you haven't seen anywhere else. It's a big open hall, which looks a bit like an vintage parking garage, not so much like a museum. We first want to have a look at the cars which are in a little bit better condition. They seem to be the ones here in the front, and I try to identify as much as possible, but I will surely make some mistakes, and there are surely a lot of cars which I cannot identify, so just comment below if you see anything special that you want to share. That's really something absolutely cute. That's a Piaggio truck with trailer. Two really old MG and a bunch of MGA and MGB from later years. Nash Metropolitan in candy color. So this one is a Studebaker Silver Hawk. Doesn't seem so bad condition. And Austin, a very nice vintage Renault. Citroen. Then two cars that I really like, this Tatra and the older Tatra Plan. Really cool cars. And this one seems to be in a really nice restored condition. Citroen, another Citroen. Benz. Nice French Panhard. Then a really rare rear-engined Benz 170H from 1935. Some checker airport limousines, or airport bus as it was called. Ford Mustang, Volvo 1800 ES. And here are two cars that I would be very, very interested in. Nissan President, the first series and the second series next to it. I mean, also in a very, very rough condition, but that would be a cool car to have in a restored, nice condition. So that's the front of this Nissan President. It was really a very big limousine for Japan with a V8 engine. That's the first series, and that's the second series. I mean, in Europe you absolutely do not see them at all, and I also haven't seen them here in Thailand on the road. Probably you have to go to Japan and try to find one. Please let me know what this is. I have absolutely no idea. They seem to have some extra wheels here. It's a three-wheeler plus 2 extra wheels that it cannot turn over like the Reliant when Jeremy drives one. But what is it? CM or MC? I don't know. Big row of Citroen 11 CV and then many 2 CV. But here it seems that the cars with the rougher conditions start. Nice Honda Roadster. Austin. Mini Moke. Reliant pickup. Funny thing, I haven't seen that before. Morris truck. Is that a Goliath? I'm not absolutely sure. I'm not so familiar with these kind of vehicles. But maybe you can let us know in the comments. And also that one is very strange. Haven't seen that ever before. Honda Civic, Toyota 700 Publica. That's a Princess Skyline, really nice. I mean, not the condition, but I like this car. I had a Nissan Skyline from 1978, but this one is much older. I guess it's late 60s, early 70s, but nice car. Let's have a look at the back side of the Skyline. And the other one is the back side of the Toyota Publica. And Renault Dauphine. That one looks absolutely crazy. Mini fire truck. Chevrolet Corvair. Ford, Russian Volga, Jaguar Mark 10 or 420G. Nice Nash Coupe. Another Tatraplan. Seems also to be in a restored condition. BMW 501. And several vents. Two amphicars. DeLorean DMC-12, Trabant, Nissan Figaro, Skoda, several Volkswagen Beetle, and there is even one convertible, quite old one, very nice, but would need a little bit of attention. Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Type 34, Citroen ED, DS CX, Peugeot 504, Volvo Amazon, a Maserati Ghibli. Quite a new car, and it's unbelievable how bad condition most of these cars are. I mean, that's not really an old car, so what happened with them? A Humber limousine. In fact, a car that I also would like to have nice looks. Another Skoda, Volkswagen Kübelwagen, or Volkswagen thing like the Americans say. Honda N360, I think. Another Honda. Piaggio. Cute Subaru microcar. Fiat 500. This one I can definitely not identify. What's that one? Bond. Oh, and these are the famous Bond bugs. Quite a funny car. Messerschmitt. Ein Berkeley. Gocco. Heinkel. Trojan. Another Trojan. Willam. BMW 600. And some Isettas. Appeal. And this one also looks cool. I haven't heard the name before. It's Solito. No idea what that is. Some micro pickup or some micro truck. Abbey, I'm not sure if that's the name of the car. Lambretta, that's one I know from Italy. Also this Vespa. And that's a nice NSU Sport Prince Coupe. Very beautiful car. Some checker limousines, Austin, London taxi, Daimler limousine. What's that here? Thai Hall or something like that? Haven't heard before. Fiat 600. And that's also showing the condition of most of these cars. That's the Daimler limousine. Peugeot 203, Burgward, and the Toyota Crown. Early Topolino in really bad need for restoration, and it seems that the birds really shit into the car. That's really bad. Peugeot 202. And the car that I cannot identify. Citroen Army 6, Benz Fintail Ambulance and Benz S-Class 108 model and S-Class 116. Ford with a wood burner. Alfa Romeo, Rover P6 and the Benz Jaguar XJ6. No, it's a Daimler in urgent need of restoration. Benz 190 Fintail, Datsun, Ford Anglia, Toyota Corona, Renault, Toyota Corona, a Holden, which I don't know, but probably it's common for the Australians, and a Peugeot 504. Big collection of toy cars. And hundreds of scooters. So what is my impression about the Jesada Technik Museum? I think it is definitely worth to have a look here. If you are in Bangkok, if you have seen the usual tourist attractions already, then jump in the taxi, drive 1 hour and have a look at this private collection. It's a free entrance, you don't have to pay anything for it. And you should not expect that all cars are in a perfect condition. They are absolutely not. They started restoring the cars, so I would say about 20 or 30 are already in a restored condition. But the rest is still very interesting to see, because there are a lot of very strange cars that you probably haven't seen anywhere else. And it doesn't really matter that they are in a poor condition. I think I really appreciate that Mr. Jesada started collecting them, started saving them from the scrapyard, because most of the old cars in Thailand, they really do not exist anymore. So it's really very, very positive that someone puts them in storage and starts to restore them and also shows them to the public, because in Thailand, I think it's not like in Europe or in the US where there is a broad public interested in classic cars. Here it's still very niche topic, and maybe with a museum like that you get more young people interested in this kind of classic cars here in Thailand as well. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please give it a like, and see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.